Hi there, Green Thumbs! If you're looking to make your garden more eco-friendly, I've got some amazing tips for you today that are super easy and totally doable. First things first, let's talk about composting. Every time you throw out kitchen scraps, you're throwing away gold for your garden. Instead, start a compost pile. Throw in those fruit peels, veggie scraps, and even coffee grounds. Over time, they'll break down into nutrient-rich soil that your plants will absolutely love. Plus, you'll be reducing waste win-win. Now, water is essential, but it doesn't have to come from your tap. Set up a rain barrel to collect rainwater. It's free, and it's better for your plants because it's not treated with chemicals like tap water. Just place it under a downspout and let nature do the rest. Your garden will stay hydrated naturally, and you'll cut down on water bills too. Okay, let's talk about pests. Chemical pesticides might get rid of bugs, but they're not doing the environment any favors. Instead, attract natural predators like ladybugs and birds. They'll help control pests without harming your plants, your soil, or the beneficial insects. You can even plant flowers like marigolds and lavender to attract these helpful critters. Another tip is to go native. Planting native species means less work for you and more benefit for local wildlife. Native plants are adapted to your local climate and soil, so they're easier to care for and often more resistant to pests and diseases. Plus, they provide habitat for local birds and insects, supporting biodiversity right in your own backyard. Finally, think about your garden tools. Choose tools made from sustainable materials like bamboo or recycled metal, and when possible, buy secondhand. Quality tools can last a lifetime, reducing the need for more production and waste. So there you have it, some simple, effective ways to make your garden greener and more sustainable. Start with 1 or 2 tips and build from there. Every little bit helps our planet. And remember, gardening isn't just about growing plants, it's about nurturing a little piece of the earth. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more eco-friendly gardening hacks. Let's grow green.